Yeah, today basically we have all gathered over here because we are strongly objecting to the kind of misuse of government property, okay, public land which has been used, okay, by illegal fisher folks who have been coming over here early parts of the hour, okay, and selling their fish over here as a wholesale fish market. Now my question is to the government. I would like to ask them whether this is the fish market which has been allotted to the public. Is this the fish market which is allotted? This road area is allotted for selling of wholesale fish, or do we already have a place which is identified by the government which has been allotted for wholesale fish, for retail selling? Okay, everything is over there. What we need to know is that we need to know where do the people go, whether we go to that the official fish market or the illegal fish market. Now this area has been contaminated. In this area, all the fish that has been sold is being contaminated with formalin and other kind of chemicals, because you will not get the proper fish which is meant for public use, which is meant for public consumption at the main market. You will only find them on roadsides. You will find them in areas like this. This place has also been stinking because of these people who have been leaving all their waste over here. You know, this gentleman over here, there is a horticulture place over here, for which the minute the police come, okay, they run over there into that horticulture area and they hide all their fish and all that. The minute the police leave, they come back. Now we need some control to be taken over here. We are not against people earning money. We are not against people not using proper official allotted areas, you know, which is meant for the fish market, which is meant for public use. You know, we have no objections, okay, but we just need to know that the government has to please support us, because our children are locked. Our children are locked at home. Our children are not going to school. Why? Because of this virus, because of this problem. And the government is allowing everybody to come in, come out and do whatever they want. Now we need to know, you know, what do the common man do? What do we do? Do we keep hiding at home? Do we keep keeping our markets locked while all contaminated and chemical affected fish is being sold on the roadsides? This is what we need to know. Michael Fernandez.
मायकल फन्स तुका आतांच कळ्ळें की हांगा नुस्तें विकता म्हणून हेजे पयलीं कळना लॉकडावन आशिल्लें तेन्ना जायती गर्दी आशिल्ली तेन्ना तुमी खंय आशिल्ले?
ना आमी हांगाच आशिल्ले.
मागीर
आमी हांगाच आशिल्ले आनी आमी सद्या ऑब्जेक्शन्स घेता, बट आयकूंक कोण आहा?
ना हेजे पयलीं खंय आशिल्ले काय म्हणटा इतले हें जातालें तेन्ना सेलिंग जातालें तेन्ना खंय आशिल्ले तुमी?
ना चोय आमी केन्ना सकाळीं येता. आमी कितें सद्या आमी हांगा पळोवपाक येना की 5 o'clock in the morning 6 o'clock in the morning आमी हांगा येवपाचें. हें आमचो काम न्हू, तें गव्हर्मेंटाचो काम आहा. तेका लागून आमी विचारता गव्हर्मेंटाक की तुमी कित्याक कोत्ता बाबा आमचो लोकांक कितें कोत्ता, तेका लागून.
ते बरें होलसेलान सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आहा हें खबर आहा तुका? सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग
वय जाणा, सगळें जाणा आमी.
थंय सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग जाता?
सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ना, कोण मॉनिटर करपाक कोण आसा बाबा? मॉनिटर करपाक वी हॅव टू, आमी सगळे जाणा की वी हॅव टू कीप डिस्टन्सिंग. एवरीबडी नोज दॅट वी आर ऑल अवेअर. My children are learning it from the school on TVs, but over here we are not practicing it. Kitak lagun? Desperation, my friend, desperation. People are desperate. Social
घाण जाता म्हणून तुमी ऑब्जेक्ट केलेली माडेलान इतलीशी वर्सां त्या मार्केटाक लागून घाण जाता आनी न्हंय सुद्दां गेली पाड जावन कोणाचो आवाज त्या हितून केन्नाच येवंक
ना. आवाज सद्या आसा. आवाज
कोणी केला आवाज?
आमी केला गोवा सिटीजन्स वेलफेअर ट्रस्टान केला. हे आमचो बाब मिलाग्रेसान केलें, आमचो ग्रुपान केलें. सेवरल अदर ग्रुप्स हॅव कम, बट आयकूंक कोण आहा? आयकूंक कोण ना. Nobody is listening to us. Everybody is only listening. Ata ami objection घेतलो. We go to the police station. We one call from the minister kala. Yeah, it is done.
Shouldn't stop attempting. पुलिसांक कोण कॉल करतलो?
पुलिस येता, पुलिस तेगे काम करता.
सो आयज स्वतः आमचें घर हिंगा आहा सारकें भोगले. सद्दां रातचे 2 जाले न्हीद पडना, सद्दांच आवाज. ओके, आनी एक इम्पोर्टंट म्हणटा तें हिंगा आतां ह्या रोडाचेर सारकी घाण जाता, येतना वयतना वास मारता. आनी गेल्या त्या वर्साक आमच्या माडेलान ओके डेंगूचो प्रॉब्लम आशिल्लो, खूब लोकांक आमच्या जाल्लो, खूब म्हणजे चेड्याक पासून जाल्लो डेंगू. ओके आमच्या वाड्यान सगल्या भुरग्यांक डेंगू जाल्लो. सो ताका लागून म्हाका एक भिरांत दिसता. ताका लागून हांवें आमच्या सगल्या गांवच्या लोकांक, आमचे कोमांतले, आमचे माडेलांतले सगळे मिक्स आमचे रावन आयज आमी चिंतलें एक बंद करूं. ओके कित्याक आतां सद्याक एक व्हायरसाचो प्रॉब्लम आहा आनी ह्या प्रॉब्लमान तर कोणाकूय डेंगू जालो भिरांत आमकां एक जोर येवप म्हणजे एक भिरांत पडटली आमकां कितें जालें काय म्हण. ओके सो म्हजो एक डिमांड आहा, ह्या जाग्यार नुस्तें हिंगता तें बंद जावपाक जाय. कित्याक ही प्लेस न्हू नुस्त्याक हिंगपाची, इतले घरां भोगलेक आसता त्या जाग्याचेर.